Exclusive from Demos Records.
Hiya, hiya, hiya.
Biyabi Heritage, be part of the story. Biyabi constitutes one of the 6 quarters that make up the Tabenken fondom. Tabenken is one of the largest villages within the Wimbum community of Donga-Mantung Division in the northwest region of Cameroon, Central Africa. The Biyabi quarter is headed by Fainga Ndicho Molariaya. He took over from Fainga Ndicho Gabriel Tomjo. This palace has existed for over 200 years and has 6 subquarters under its jurisdiction. We have Bo Ndicho, Bo Mfuchi, Bo Ndundu, Bo Kimbong, Bo Sake, and Birie. These subquarters are governed by a Tarla enthroned by Fainga Ndicho. The Biyabi Palace is host not only to the sub-chief, it is a host to sons and daughters of the community as well as visitors. The palace is the mirror of the community and therefore must reflect beauty, hope, warmth, love, peace, and serenity. However, the palace over the years has worn out and is fast dilapidating. Parts of the walls, roof, windows are almost in shambles. In fact, the state of the palace has rendered life uncomfortable not only for the sub-chief but also for its sons and daughters and visitors. The need to rescue this community architecture, symbol of our cultural heritage, cannot be overemphasized. To this effect, His Highness Fainga Ndicho Molariaya calls on you to be part of the project to renovate this community structure that serves as a custody of our tradition.
As you can see, we use stones in preventing the roof from being carried away. In some cases, windows are being made out of bamboos after termites dealt a major blow to them. This is your palace. I even suggest it could be fenced to stop unnecessary trespassing by passers-by. So I count on you all. To my people in Limbe, Tiku, Boya, Bamenda, Yaoundé, Douala, and other cities, the diaspora, and all friends and well-wishers of the Biyabi community, I call on you to donate generously towards this project.
Heal the world, make it a better place. It does not matter which part of the world you find yourself in. Be part of bringing a facelift to this great community heritage. Our hope is to embark on the renovation of the palace before the rainy season begins. Your generous donations in kind or cash will be highly appreciated. Yes, be part of the story. Please contact the following persons and your contributions will be channeled to the right quarters. For the USA, Tashe Tamfu George, Tashe Melvin Foba, Ndi Mercy She, Dr. Nkini Yaya, Bimbo Eric. For Europe, contact Ramson T. Ngenge. For Cameroon and Africa, contact Tangwang T. for Ephraim and Tashe Ndingwa Bernard. We look forward to celebrate and dance with you in a fully renovated Biyabi Palace in Tabenken, fondly called the Valley of Life.